bling bling. Hey you guys, good day. I was gonna say good morning, but it's way past morning. Right now I am trying to package my ashwebi bags. These are the fabrics that we're using. Oh my god, they are so cute. Let's go to the studio. Why I love this studio is because of how bright it gets. It gets super bright. By the way guys, I have my name on the wall. I'm super excited. I am such a last minute person. It is super bad. It is exactly 1 month to my trad. Everything. So this are the ashwebi. It is burnt orange. Just because I love how burnt orange looks against dark skin melanin tones. It looks so beautiful. And I feel like for trad, it will just go with the colors that I'm going to be wearing, because I'm going to be wearing the beads. This is what the fabric looks like. It is super gorgeous. So I have this card that I also printed. It has my name, it has my hub's names there, and it has dates as well as the logo. Done with this, and then work on getting it out so it's like really compact. And yeah, right here also has the logo front and back. Guys, so I'm here for my dress fitting. This is going to be my first outing outfit. I feel like I'm getting a little bit nervous because I haven't seen it, and I know it's going to be amazing, but I'm still a bit nervous. So fingers crossed. Just below the hip. Okay, so hey guys, I'm currently trying to pack for my travel to the village for the trad, and to be honest with you, I have a lot of boxes. I have a lot of clothes to begin with, and because of how like heavy my clothes are, they have a lot of weight. My shoes as well, my bags as well, my beads as well. So like at this point I'm looking at it and I'm looking at myself like, wow. Like I have 2 outfits that I'm wearing on that day, and I have an after party outfit, and I have another wedding outfit for my cousin as well. So I have a lot of clothes, but I'm just going to be packing right now, but also showing you guys what I'm packing. So this is one of the outfits that I'm wearing, but this is for my cousin. So this alone is literally occupying half the space. I'm just gonna put it here. Like no going back. This is my after party outfits, and I'm going to be wearing. Well, I'm not packing them in any order, to be honest with you. Right here is probably my favorite outfit to wear. This is my mgbemena attire. I'm going to be dripping in spice. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to put this so that it doesn't damage the embroidery and everything. It's so delicate. Wow. So this is a gele that I'm going to be wearing with this outfit right here. Right, and also this is also the fan that I'm going to be using as well. The fan that I'm going to be using as well. So I'm just going to put this in here. This is one of the bags that I got. This is so pretty. It's just like all sorts of, you know, bouginess, richness, crystals, bling, 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 bling. I'm gonna take this one just because I love it, but I'm most likely not going to be using it. This is what I'm going to be using. This one goes so well with the dress as well as with the shoes I'm going to be wearing. So I'm going to take everything out of the box and put them in the bag. Just because I don't want excess luggage. Box by Nishka. I think that's how the brand is pronounced. Let me just open this off. Shoes. I don't know if you guys can see these shoes, but these shoes are so gorgeous. I can't even explain. These sandals, sorry. I'm going to be wearing these sandals with the first white outfit, and I'm going to be pairing it with this bag. Can you see that? Bling bling. So this goes with the entire, you know, design and style and all that. That makes sense. So this is the silver shoes that I'm going to be wearing. Everything is literally blinging. So, but this is what they look like side by side. Super pretty. You know, it's just blinging and blinging. Yes. So.
Hey guys. Hi. So our flight was meant to be at 12. It got moved to 1.
Yeah.
Now it's at 3. And we're going to Enugu.
The thing about your country, Nigeria, there's always a queue. Always a lot of frustration going on. This management. Girl, we're running to. Hi, hey cuties. Are you guys excited? No, welcome to my village.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, but
If you want to bless him. It's blessing. Because I'm not seeing before in my life. I did not see. Hi. It's Wayne.
It's petrol water. It's petrol water. What do you mean? Is that part of the ride?
like, where do you think you're going to?
Lagos. You are joking. You are joking. You have to be joking.
So I think that will start from around there where they can see us.
Okay, the choreography itself has to be where everybody is.
Yes.
Which is there.
Yeah. So here I was just dancing to any song.
To any song. But we see.
I'm tired. Where's
Tutu.
Come out and play. It's sad.